everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to just be talking with you guys while I'm retwisting my hair. I'm going to give you like kind of a hair update and a challenge update that I'm going to do. So I am going to be doing this aloe vera leaf juice for my re-wetting spray, and I'm going to be taking a hair and nail vitamin. And I know later in the week I'm also going to add a hair growth oil. But before we get into that, I want you to go down below, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Everything that I discuss will be in the description box below in case you want to purchase it or anything like that. I'll also have my Amazon store link below. Let's get started. So 2 days ago, I twisted my hair, and I've kind of just been having it like this. If you can see, it looks shiny and moisturized, which is a great thing. So I got this from Natural 85, you know, the health and hair guru of YouTube. And so what I'm going to be doing is I want to start using aloe vera juice for my re-wetting spray. And I have that in my 360 water bottle. And I'm actually going to break these down smaller. So the twists that I do have in my hair, I'm just going to make them, I'm going to split all of them into two. I don't know why. I'm just doing that. No clue. I just want them smaller, I think, so I can be able to wear them more as a style. Because when they're really big, they already shrink up so much. So I just want to change that. So I noticed it was getting not really too dry, but I wanted to kind of beat the dryness. I did this 3 days ago. Today's my third day. So I was like, oh, let me just go in and redo it. So I'm going to redo it with the same stuff I use, although I'm actually almost out of my Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. This is my leave-in. I'm actually almost out of it. So when I run out, if I need to, I'm going to switch to the Miele White Peony Organics. Because I know she was saying you want to use a thick leave-in. You want to use a creamy leave-in. And then I'm now going to seal it with an oil. And I made my own little oils. And here is olive oil, coconut oil, and almond oil. I want to add grapeseed oil and jojoba oil, but I don't have any yet. And so just to let you know, that will be in there once I go get some this week. And so now I'm just going to seal in the leave-in conditioner. And she didn't use a curling cream, she was saying, or a smoothie. She was saying you can if you want to. If you want to try to elongate it more, or if you want to add more moisture, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to also add on top of that. And I'm not using like, a whole bunch, but that's why I'm not really using like my whole hand. I'm kind of using my fingers and just feeling around for any spots that I feel like I missed. And then I'm going to use my brush to make sure all the product is smoothed in. And I'm not doing this for style. I'm just doing this for moisture. So the challenge is this is what I'm going to do for the next week or two. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see if this really helps with moisture, because we all know Whitney's hair, Natural 85, that stuff is so moisturized and so thick. It looks so good. So, and I didn't do the last ends. I'm just going to twirl those around. And that's it. Then I'm just going to do the next one. So the other part of the challenge, or just something I'm adding to, not challenge, let me take that out. I know I said challenge. It's not really a challenge. This is something I'm just adding to my hair care regimen to see if this helps with length retention and moisture. Moisture I've been having a problem with lately. And I noticed I've been getting an itchy scalp. I don't know if it's from all the products. And it's not like, my whole scalp is just on fire, itching. It's just, itch here and there. And I just notice it because my scalp really never itches unless I have like a sew-in or something like that. Like I never have an itchy scalp. So I don't know. I don't know if it's I maybe should wash my hair more often. I'm not sure. I'm going to research and look up some things of the causes, and then I'm going to look up some different things I can try and try to pinpoint what I actually want to do about it. So yeah, but another thing I'm going to do for adding to my hair care regimen is I'm going to start taking vitamins. I just ordered my groceries along with my vitamins, so I'm actually waiting on that to arrive. I do not have it yet, but I will have them linked below. They're nothing, I mean, fancy. They're just a regular hair, nail, and skin vitamin. Because I do not eat the best. I eat okay. I'm not horrible. I eat okay, but I don't eat the best. And I know I need to have more water intake in my diet. So I just wanted to add those in because I noticed they did really good on my hair when I was pregnant. I was taking vitamins, and then also after pregnancy, I was taking my hair and skin vitamins, but I was actually using the main choice. Okay, found this other braid. I was using the main choice, the liquid vitamin, and oh no, I'm sorry, not the main choice. Curls, my bad. I was using the Curls liquid vitamin, and this actually coiled up pretty good. But although it looked good right here, y'all already know how I feel about twist outs. They do not work for me. Every time I unravel them, they look a hot mess. So, but anyways, I was using the Curls before, and it was a liquid vitamin. And I don't know, for some reason, that was like my third time using it, and it did really good. Like my hair was always really thick. It helped, my hair grow, and stuff like that, or retain length, whichever one you want to, say. But it worked. Thing is it's really pricey. It's $25, and also the taste isn't all that great. That blueberry taste, and lately I wasn't able to stomach it, and so I was like, you know what, let me just try a regular vitamin and see if that helped. Honestly, the only reason why I had got the Curls vitamin is because it was a liquid, and they say when you take a liquid vitamin, you intake more, like 95% of the vitamin instead of through like a solid, vitamin. But that's something you have to excuse me. My allergies is acting up like crazy. My allergies acting up. I'm on my menstruation. I had an allergic reaction on my lips. I'm like, it's just a lot going on. But anyways, good news is school is about to be in for my son, so that's good news. But so that's another thing I'm adding, the hair and skin and nails vitamins. And also so I know when I said I'm going to be doing the aloe vera juice and then the oil, and the aloe vera juice, then the leave-in, then the oil, and then the curling cream. So that's when I'm doing a protective style, or like just these twist outs, something like that. I'm gonna be using that. If I do a wash and go, which I actually want to try one of Natural's wash and goes this week after wash day. If I do a wash and go, I'm not gonna use. Well, actually, no, I'm going to use the Curl hand sanitizer smoothie. Actually, scratch that. It's going to be the same stuff. Because I was going to say I'm not going to use a smoothie. I'm just going to use a gel. But take that back. I actually want to start trying out the no gel wash and goes. And I did one of those with the Talia Wajid. And so I actually want to just try more and see what I like, because I want to try her method, Whitney's method, to see if that actually helps with it. The only reason why I just didn't like the no gel wash and goes is because it shrinks my hair up so much, and my hair is not that long, and it's curly state, and so that was really the only reason why. But I'm gonna embrace it. And last but not least, I am going to be doing a lot of DIY. So when it comes to deep conditioners, when it comes to like even my pre-poo, doing the aloe vera plant with the pre-poo I usually do, or either a protein treatment. I'm really going to do DIY treatments. She had mentioned that she just noticed that her hair gets, you know, a lot more of the vitamins and everything doing the DIY. Her hair is much softer, and she just feels like it thrives more off the DIY than, of course, where you're not getting as much in a you know, a product. And hopefully also that will help on my pockets, because these products have been costing a lot. So I want to try that. And I really hope that it helps with the things I'm trying to help out with, which are moisture. I want to help my moisture. I definitely wanted to help, you know, length retention, mainly moisture. Because I notice when I do my hair, I have these pieces that are just not that moisturized. And already, I'm not gonna lie, I can see a difference, because when I wish I can show you my hair from the other day before I did it. It was so dry looking. And even once I did the twist, I was like, oh, why does it still look dry? And, you know, but then once it dried, it looked a whole lot better. And Winter, what are you talking about? It looked a whole lot better. So I can see the difference it's making already. I actually did my daughter's hair the same. And so she will be doing this as well with me. I'm adding this into her hair regimen care, so it can actually help grow back some of her edges and her sides where it's thinning, because her hair has been thinning on the sides. And she has her vitamins with iron in it, because she's been very low in iron, which helps with freaking losing your hair and thinning hair. So we're kind of getting her back together with that. So right now she has her hair in a whole bunch of twists as well. And like I said, we're going to be doing the same thing for her hair. But that was all I wanted to check in with you guys about. And like I said before, just going back over, I'll be doing aloe vera leaf juice always in my water bottle to re-wet my hair. I will be using a leave-in conditioner and then the oil. And then I will be using a styling cream. I'm actually going to give the gel a break off my hair when it comes to wash and goes. If I do like any type of perm rod set, I might just put a little gel at the ends and on like maybe the root, you know, so it can so I cannot have a fuzzy root. But that's it. Not on like the whole strands of my hair how I usually do for a wash and go. I'm going to be adding vitamins in. I'm also going to be doing DIY for pre-poos, deep conditioning treatments, and protein treatments. So I just did a protein treatment on wash day 3 days ago. So now, and I didn't do a deep conditioning treatment with it. I just did the protein treatment. So now this week when I do my wash, which is I wash my hair every 5 to 7 days, depending on how it feels. I'll probably wash my hair. Actually, my son's birthday is next Monday, so I'm actually going to be washing my hair on Sunday, and I'm gonna do the deep conditioning treatment, and it's gonna be a DIY. So I'll wash my hair Sunday. That way, for that Monday, it can already be done to celebrate his birthday. And I will be doing a YouTube for his birthday, a vlog, mommy vlog. But other than that, I will catch you guys later. If you have any comments, questions, or tips, put them below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I know you have a YouTube account. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.